Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Libmysql dll is missing in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, what does this DLL mean? It means the library for MySQL, and if it's missing, it means that a critical system file is missing. So our first approach will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And this will scan for missing and corrupt files on the system and solve it if possible. But the catch is that this scan needs a very long time. I mean, doesn't just do it within minutes. So let it verify and install the updates and everything. Leave it in the background and keep doing your job. Don't switch off your computer meanwhile. After this, open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ C distributable. Open Microsoft C++ C distributable. Select Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down. We have the x86 version for 32-bit computers and the x64-bit version for 64-bit computers. Since I have a 64-bit computers, which is the norm these days, I will select the second one and then I will click on open. Okay, and then it will open Microsoft C++ C distributable. If it is installed, you'll get the option to repair it. It would mostly be installed, and if not, then you will have the option to reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.